Learning English at home is possible when you use the right methods and tools like ChatGPT as your personal teacher. You can practice speaking, improve grammar, build vocabulary, strengthen writing, and develop listening skills daily. Consistent practice, simple exercises, and conversations help you gain confidence and become fluent over time. Many learners believe they need expensive courses or professional teachers to improve their English, but that is not always true. With the right strategy and dedication, you can learn effectively at home. ChatGPT provides guidance, correction, and conversation practice, making it easier to improve your skills without pressure or fear. The first important step is daily conversation practice. English is not just about reading rules or memorizing vocabulary, it is about communication. When you use ChatGPT as a speaking partner, you create a natural environment where you can practice expressing your thoughts freely and confidently every single day. You can begin by asking simple questions or requesting casual conversation. Talk about your routine, your plans, or your interests. This regular interaction helps you become comfortable with forming sentences. Over time, your hesitation reduces and your ability to respond quickly in English improves significantly. Another powerful technique is speaking out loud. Do not limit your practice to typing only. When you speak, your pronunciation and fluency improve. Even if you are alone, speaking loudly builds confidence. This physical practice trains your mouth and brain to work together naturally during communication. Consistency is more important than long study hours. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily conversation can create noticeable improvement. Regular practice helps your brain adapt to English, allowing you to think faster and speak more naturally without translating every sentence from your native language. Grammar improvement is another essential part of learning English. Instead of memorizing complex rules, focus on using language correctly in context. ChatGPT allows you to write sentences and receive corrections instantly, helping you understand your mistakes and learn from them in a simple way. For example, you can write incorrect sentences and ask for corrections with explanations. This helps you understand why a sentence is wrong and how to fix it. Learning grammar through usage makes it easier to remember and apply in real conversations naturally. Rewriting is also an effective method. You can write a paragraph about your day and ask ChatGPT to improve it. By comparing your original and corrected versions, you begin to notice patterns. This builds your understanding of sentence structure and improves your writing skills gradually. Another useful approach is asking for simple explanations. If a grammar rule confuses you, request a clear explanation with examples. ChatGPT can simplify complex ideas, making them easier to understand. This reduces stress and helps you learn grammar in a relaxed and practical way. Vocabulary plays a major role in communication. Instead of memorizing long lists, focus on learning useful words in context. ChatGPT can provide daily vocabulary with meanings and example sentences. This helps you understand how words are used in real life situations effectively. After learning new words, practice using them in your own sentences. You can ask ChatGPT to create questions or exercises using those words. Active usage strengthens memory and helps you recall vocabulary easily during conversations without hesitation or confusion. Learning vocabulary by topic is another smart strategy. Focus on areas like daily routine, travel, or work. This makes your learning practical and relevant. You begin to use these words naturally in conversations, which improves both your confidence and communication skills over time. Synonyms also enhance your language quality. Instead of repeating the same words, learn alternatives. For example, replace simple words with more expressive ones. This makes your speech more interesting and natural, helping you sound more confident and fluent in conversations. Speaking confidence is often a major challenge. Many learners hesitate because they fear making mistakes. ChatGPT creates a safe environment where you can practice freely. There is no judgment, allowing you to experiment and improve without feeling embarrassed or anxious. Role play is a powerful technique for building confidence. Practice situations like ordering food, attending interviews, or meeting friends. These scenarios prepare you for real life conversations. The more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you become in speaking English. Repeating sentences is another useful exercise. Listening and repeating helps improve pronunciation and fluency. It also trains your brain to process language quickly. Over time, your speaking becomes smoother, and your ability to respond naturally improves significantly. Writing is another essential skill that supports overall improvement. When you write, you organize your thoughts and identify your mistakes. ChatGPT can correct your writing and provide better versions, helping you understand how to form clear and accurate sentences. Daily writing practice does not need to be long. Even a few sentences are enough. Consistency matters more than length. Regular writing improves your thinking in English and strengthens your ability to express ideas clearly and effectively in different situations. Listening practice is equally important. Many learners struggle to understand spoken English because they do not practice listening regularly. ChatGPT can generate simple paragraphs that you can read aloud or listen to using text to speech tools for better understanding. After listening, you can answer questions about the content. This checks your comprehension and improves your ability to understand spoken English. Repeating sentences multiple times also helps your brain recognize patterns and improves your listening accuracy gradually. Breaking long sentences into smaller parts makes them easier to understand. This technique helps you process information step by step. As your understanding improves, you will find it easier to follow longer conversations and complex ideas in English. Building a daily routine is essential for success. Without consistency, progress becomes slow. Create a simple plan that includes speaking, grammar, vocabulary, writing, and listening practice. A structured routine keeps you focused and ensures balanced improvement in all areas. Your routine does not need to be complicated. Start small and stay consistent. Even 30 minutes of daily practice can create significant improvement over time. The key is to make learning a habit that becomes part of your daily life naturally. Thinking in English is the final step toward fluency. Avoid translating from your native language. Start with simple thoughts and gradually build complexity. This helps you respond faster and speak more naturally without hesitation or delay. You can practice thinking in English by describing your surroundings or daily activities. This simple habit trains your brain to form sentences directly in English. Over time, your fluency improves and speaking becomes more effortless and natural. Instant response practice is also helpful. Answer questions quickly without overthinking. This builds your ability to communicate spontaneously. The goal is not perfection, but natural expression. Fluency comes from practice and confidence, not from avoiding mistakes. Storytelling is another effective method. Try to describe events or create short stories in English. This improves creativity and strengthens your ability to organize ideas. It also enhances both speaking and writing skills in an engaging and enjoyable way. Patience is important throughout your learning journey. Progress may feel slow at times, but consistency brings results. Every small step contributes to improvement. Stay focused, keep practicing, and trust the process as your skills gradually develop. Enjoy the learning process. Choose topics that interest you and make practice fun. When you enjoy learning, you stay motivated. This helps you continue practicing regularly, which is the key to achieving fluency in English. In the end, the most important factor is consistency. You do not need expensive courses or perfect knowledge. With daily practice and the right approach, you can improve steadily. ChatGPT provides all the support you need to learn effectively at home. If you stay committed and practice every day, you will notice improvement. Your confidence will grow, your mistakes will decrease, and your English will become more natural. This journey requires effort, but the results are worth it in the long run. Start today and take small steps toward your goal. Use ChatGPT as your learning partner and practice regularly. Over time, you will achieve fluency and confidence in English, making communication easier and more enjoyable in your daily life.